Welcome to our tutorial on how to snooze chat group mentions on X, Twitter on PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open X on your PC to access your Twitter account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on Messages to enter your chat conversations. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the group chat you want to manage mentions for. Step 4. Click on the group chat to enter the conversation. Step 5. Within the group conversation, locate and click on the information icon to access the conversation settings. Step 6. Under Notifications, find the option Snooze Mentions to customize whether you receive notifications when mentioned in the group chat. By following these steps, you can easily manage and control your notification preferences for group chat mentions on X, Twitter, using your PC, allowing you to stay engaged while minimizing interruptions. Thank you for following along. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to snooze chat group mentions on X, Twitter on PC. Enjoy customizing your notification settings and optimizing your group chat experience on Twitter.